Hello everyone! Welcome to the Nural Sales tutorial series. In this series, we will go through the key features and functionalities of the application. Let's get started.
In this video, we will understand how store location capturing works when store coordinates are not already mapped in the system. If the store coordinates are not available in the system and a promoter assigned to that store logs into the mobile application, the system will first ask the promoter to capture the store location. The promoter needs to allow location access and capture the current store location from the mobile app. Once the location is captured and saved successfully, it will be stored as the official location coordinates for that store. After saving the store location, the promoter will be automatically logged out from the application. The promoter will then need to log in again to continue using the application. Going forward, the captured coordinates will be used as the saved store location in the system. When the ISP or promoter marks attendance, the system will use these saved store coordinates for attendance validation. This is important because attendance in Nural Sales is geo-tagged and geo-fenced. Geo-tagging helps capture the location from where attendance is marked, while geo-fencing ensures that attendance is marked only from the allowed store location. If the promoter is within the defined store location range, attendance can be marked successfully. This process ensures that store location mapping is accurate and attendance is captured from the correct location.
Thank you for using Nural Sales.